How you guys doing? We're gonna test something different with ANCEL today. We have the ANCEL X7, which is a bidirectional powerful scan tool, a little under $400. Let's see what we get. We got a very complete owner's manual, the registration code. So let's check the ANCEL X7. It's actually, whoa, it's a very big tablet. It's like what, 10-inch? All right, let's see what else it brings. It comes with the USB charger. Okay, it's a very big VCI with line connection as well as the charger. It's a power connection. Let me put it here. All right, what else do I have here? Okay, I have a line with USB to USB cable. It's actually like a silicone, very soft cover. All right, let me turn it on. ANCEL X7. You see? Oh, did you guys know that ANCEL has officially launched 6 individual 8410 Pro for giveaway this Christmas? All you need to do is enter the link that I'm giving you guys in the description and participate right now because it's 6 units. You could be the lucky winner, but there will be no time to waste. Let's hook up this into a hybrid car and let's see what we can do with the ANCEL X7. Here we go. We're gonna set it up in this 2020 Toyota Succeed Hybrid. Let me plug in the OBD2. Give me a second. See, this is the first time I plug it in. Once it's connected to the vehicle and the Bluetooth, you will see a light right here. Look, we're running an update, so let's wait. So I'm not sure which platform ANCEL is using because, as I said, I haven't used ANCEL before. So let me go directly to Asia. I'm gonna choose Toyota right away. Oh, very nice. Proba Succeed, NHP, 1NCFXE. Okay, copy that. Look how she's showing you the charging system as well. Very nice. She finished to read absolutely all the modules available. Let me go first to the hybrid system. Let's see what I can read. Yes, I want to read the high voltage battery. Temperature of the battery. Live data as well. You can also record the function as well. Very nice. High voltage charge. What the heck is this? Whoa, 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 whoa. The inverter temperature, the generator 1. Okay, this is the charging system through the generator. Very nice. System main relay. Control status of the system main relay and what the computer expects. Very nice. Oh, look, it has a mobilizer as well. The number of registered key codes 2. All right, let me go back. Special functions. Transponder code erasures. Okay, so you can delete the code as well. Okay, very nice. I want to go directly to the engine. Let's see. Let me go to the data list. I want to see, engine control, gas general, gas airflow sensor. Let me see. She's very nice because she put them in all the fuel trims right here, them together. So I have the live data. Look, this function, she also has all the cylinder misfire count as well. Watch this function that I just found out. Let me go to function list. I'm going to select Toyota Japan. I want to select the Probox Succeed. For example, that's the car that I'm testing here at the moment. Where are you? Okay, here it is. All of them. And she's going to show me every single function that the scan tool can do to the engine. Special function, active test, pre-diagnostic battery, temporary vehicle startup. I mean, the scan tool has the function list for each individual vehicle that you could select. What? Besides that, the diagnostic trouble code query that shows you every single diagnostic trouble code available with its own description. I am ridiculously satisfied with the new ANCEL X7. As I said, you can perform every single bidirectional functions, including immobilizer, with a very powerful scan tool, 6,000 milliamp hour battery, a big tablet for less than $400. I believe this is a steal of a deal. So if you want to know more, stick around for this. I'll see you then. Bye-bye. Don't forget the giveaway. Enter ANCEL.com right now. Bye-bye.